What's going on, everybody? Sean here. So today is going to be a quick little video. I'm going to be taking the headache rack off my toolbox or my truck because it kind of doesn't need to be there anymore, and I'm trying to go through a different look on this truck. So I'm going to be taking the headache rack off. It's probably going to go on a different truck when I get another one someday, but for now I'm going to take it off. It's going to go, sit in the back of my house. But I'm going to be putting a toolbox, leaving the toolbox on and putting my tonneau cover on that I picked up. Hopefully it fits. It's 6 foot by 9 and I have an 8 foot bed with a toolbox. So we're going to see, we're going to play it out by ear and see how close this is, but come along for the ride. Thanks. All right, everybody, so this toolbox was too big to fit this tonneau cover in this setup. So we just went and picked up another Craftsman toolbox that's a little bit thinner because this truck's not really going to be used for a work truck anymore. It's going to hold both basically tools to fix it if it ever breaks down on the road, which they never do. So we're basically just going to transfer everything out of this one and put it in here. We got the tonneau cover all mocked up. It fits perfectly with the toolbox. It's not too big of a gap in between at the end and everything. So yeah, we're on our way to finishing this thing up. So all right, so we got the tonneau cover on. It looks phenomenal. We did have to go with a smaller toolbox, but it's a full functioning toolbox, so it opens. It won't hit the back window, but it fit perfectly. It looks phenomenal. So thanks for coming along on a small little video. Going on, everybody? So this is my 1997 7.3. We put this Ford tonneau cover on and a toolbox, and you can see it's really dark in here. So we're going to be installing these Truck Hero lights. They just screw into the side there. They turn on for you to light up inside the bed and the truck bed. So we're going to install these real quick, and then we're going to tell you exactly what we did to get this tonneau cover and toolbox to fit. right, so what we did here is we just lined the back of this up. There's a hole on the back side that it mounts, and we just drilled a hole and put a Allen and a nut on the back side, and there you go. Now I'll be able to light up the bed with the tonneau cover on it in the dark. Be able to see what you're doing. All right, so we got both of them mounted up. They just bolted to this inside bed rail here. It lights up underneath this tonneau cover really well, so I'll be able to, access anything in the dark. But yeah, we're gonna get into how we mounted this toolbox and tonneau cover. So this 6'9" tonneau cover came off a brand new Super Duty. It's a Ford OEM tonneau cover. The toolbox I had originally was super thick, and when we put this on, we had about 4 inches that this was hanging over. So we had to go to Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere, get a thinner toolbox. We got a thinner Craftsman toolbox, but we'll link it in the description down below. It's thinner, but we had to leave room for it to open so it didn't hit the back window. So we did leave about 2 inches of a gap there. So when we mounted it up, this fit just perfectly to close the tailgate. So it fits, like a regular tonneau cover should. So super happy with how it turned out. We're going to be doing a few more things to this truck, so stay tuned for a couple more videos on this.